Welcome back to Zoonitoons, the place where drawings come to life with color and creativity. Today we're sketching two powerful Marvel superheroes using simple, easy steps. Grab your pencils and markers, because we'll guide you through every part of the process. Follow along at your own pace and enjoy the fun of drawing your favorite heroes. Let's get started right away with our first character, Spider-Man. We begin by shaping Spider-Man's head and adding his large, sharp eye outlines. Then we carefully place the web pattern across his mask to capture his signature style. With the final outlines complete, the Spider-Man drawing is ready for coloring. Next, we sketch the mask details, keeping the smooth curves and angles balanced. Next, we add deep blue shades to complete his classic color combination. A few darker areas create shadows and give the mask more depth. We start with bright red tones to fill the main part of Spider-Man's mask. With highlights added, Spider-Man's mask looks bold. Now we draw Hulk's powerful head shape and place his intense, bold eyes. We add the eyebrows, nose, and mouth to show his strong, angry expression. Next, we outline his hair and jawline to capture his tough, muscular look. Once the last details are finished, the Hulk drawing is ready for color. We fill Hulk's face with bright green colors to match his iconic superhero appearance. Then we add darker greens to bring shading and depth to his features. His hair is colored with rich dark tones to complete the look. With all the colors finished, Hulk appears strong, bold, and full of power. And that wraps up today's drawing session here on Zoonitoons. Spider-Man and Hulk both turned out amazing with their bright colors and bold designs. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Zoonitoons. Tell us in the comments which characters you'd like to see us draw next. Thanks for watching Zoonitoons, and we'll see you again in the next creative adventure.